So we've been having a great day here out on Lake Erie, catching lots of fish, and our bait of choice today is a brand new bait from Berkley. It's called a Deep Hit Stick. You can see it's a little bit different than the stick baits we've had in the past. This is an aggressive lure. It's got a much wider wobble, it's got a deeper rattle in it, it's got a bulkier look to it, so it attracts bigger fish a lot of times. So it's just a much more aggressive bait. But the nice thing about the Deep Hit Stick is when this thing really shines is actually when the water cools down a little bit. If you're fishing in the spring or fall like we are now, this thing, even if you're only trolling at like 1.5 miles an hour, has a great action underwater. Those rattles are just a thumping away, and it really helps attract walleyes. So if you're looking for some alternate choices in stick baits, deep stick baits, this new Deep Hit Stick is unbelievable.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.